Welcome to this quick tutorial on creating citations within Nexis Uni. To access Nexis Uni, select the link for the A to Z databases from the toolbar. Next, select the letter N and click on Nexis Uni. Today I'm going to use Yickwo versus Hopkins as my example. Abbreviated case citations of published court decisions consist of the name of the parties involved in the lawsuit, the volume number of the reporter containing the full text of the decision, the abbreviated name of the reporter in which the decision was published, and the page number on which the case begins. The case opinion also contains the date the case was submitted to the court, the date the case was decided, and the name of the deciding court. To export the full case citation, click on the Export Citation button underneath the case name. From here, you can create a citation in APA, Blue Book, Chicago Style, or MLA. The Blue Book citation format is the standard legal format for citing a case. The citation includes the following information: case name, every published opinion, the deciding court, and the decision date. This is the most common way to cite a case. Click on Copy to Clipboard to copy and paste into your desired document. You can create an annotation and citation for a section of a decision you wish to cite. To do this, select the desired text. A window will appear after you have made the selection. Click on the link titled Copy Advanced to view your annotation and select the desired citation format. Nexis Uni provides the following citation styles: the ALWD Guide to Legal Citations, the Standard Blue Book, and various state jurisdictions. Once you select the citation format, your annotation with citation will appear in the preview screen. Copy and paste into your desired document. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to check out our entire Nexis Uni tutorial series.